4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Light shines in through the clouds, colors come out, and everything changes. Good days coming around, lay your guard down, turn the page. Open up the windows, let in the fresh air, the fresh air.
Nawa, lumaki kang mabait at may takot sa Diyos at lagi kang makikinig kala Mami, Daddy. Love na love ka namin.
Blessed happy birthday, Kuya Sayon. Lumaki kang mabait bata. Magmasaway. Hanggang sa paglaki mo, maging successful ka na ka, Apwa. God bless.
Happy birthday, the fresh air, open up the
Happy birthday,
windows,
Sayon!
let in the fresh air, the fresh air. Yeah, we're living in it. Yeah, we're living in it. In the fresh air, in the fresh air.
Pray ko kay Lord na patuloy kanyang bigyan ng kalakasan at i-bless, patuloy kang i-bless ni Lord. Maraming salamat kay Lord dahil binigay ka kanya sa amin. We love you, Pipi.
Love you,
Kuya
Sayon.
Sayon.
Always waking up in flowers. We're on a permanent vacation. Me and my friends,
Together with Mommy, Daddy, and baby brother, palapakan natin si Zion!
Happy birthday, anak. Ayan, sana mag-enjoy ka sa party mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Lagi mong tatandaan yan. At lagi kang maging mabuting bata. Tuloy ka na maging sweet lagi.
Wish ko sa'yo, anak, na mas lalo ka pang maging active dito sa church. Ipagpatuloy mo lang na lagi kang nasa achiever. Napakabuti mong bata at napakabuti mong kuya kay Daisy Daisy. Ayun na, mukha ka na mabuti ka anak ko. Happy birthday, baby!
Happy birthday, Kuya Sayon! Happy birthday, Sayon!
here's a ticket, take a ride. Gonna rock it, gonna fly. Here's a ticket, take a ride.
Happy birthday,
We
Sayon!
got it, we get it together. So sunny forever, it's super magical. It's never been better, everything we do. It's super magical. It's super magical.
Maraming salamat sa ating Panginoon dahil binigay sa amin itong batang bataan. Matagal namin na inilig at umabot pa ng 3 taon bago siya makit sa amin. Pangako namin sa Panginoon na iingatan namin siya sa pangako na iaalay namin ang buhay namin kasama si Sai.